Alright, market just opened. I just woke up. All that shit. Yesterday we took a trade. We lost a trade. It's fine. It was a good trade. I liked what I took. We're just gonna go over what I was thinking for that day really quick. Because I gotta eat my food. Let's see here. Is it even loaded though? Hold on. Okay, I guess it's not gonna show. Did I delete all of it or something? July 2nd, no, it's July 8th. Oh, no way, did it save, bro. Ah, I didn't save. Okay. But, I got a screenshot. It's fine. I'll show you guys. I guess it didn't show. This is the trade that I took. I guess I just airdrop that over here. Alright, so this right here. Oh, I won't even show it. Hold on. OBS, man. Dog item, blah, 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 blah. Be a preview of this one. Okay. So this is the trade that I took. We literally just we had an SMT, so we were bullish. And then we got an inverse. Got in, and then immediately got stopped out afterwards. So yeah, that sucks. But it's fine, you know. It doesn't really matter. I'm doing this new thing called dynamic risk management, which basically means oh, which basically means hold on. Let me make this shit smaller. Alright, whatever. We'll just leave it like that. That should look good, I guess. But yeah. I forgot what I was saying. Dynamic. So basically, based off of what I'm like, based off on how I'm feeling, as in like, do I feel very confident in this trade or not? That's basically how it's gonna go. I did lose around $200 yesterday. I lost $200 yesterday. It's not that bad. Due to the dynamic range thing that I was talking about. So yeah. Do we have an SMT? Hold on. Okay, what's happening in the 4 hour time frame? We came up with this 4 hour for Valley Gap, and now we're heading down. I am bearish for today. Oh, now it decides to load. Great. Alright, so yeah. We came here, it was after macro. Came down here, swept out London session lows. ES did not sweep them, so then we were like, okay, we're bullish, and then that happened, and then boom, I lost. There's my trade. Let's go and do this really quick because I'm hungry and I want to eat. So So we have these highs up here, these highs up here, and these highs up here that are not going to be taken. I want these lows to be taken. Check the 1 hour. We have these highs up here, equal highs. Oof, I don't like those equal highs. Then we have this hourly over here. Okay, we just swept London lows. Right there, I'll consider those London lows. London lows, and then we have Asia lows over here. Let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah, we just swept them like just now. Here's the thing, I don't want to be bullish, but if the market will show me that it's going to continue higher, then I will be bullish, you know, because we have these equal highs up here, and then we have London highs up here. But I don't want to long, I want to short. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't want to short. I mean, I really don't want to long. Everything's telling me, everything's telling me that it's gonna go higher. That's gonna go lower. Sorry. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this, to be honest. Because we just swept out these lows as well. Might long. Might long up to London highs because we have all that rest liquidity. Or I don't know. We're gonna see what happens. Meanwhile, I'm gonna watch some YouTube or something. Also, we have no news. Oh my god. We have no news as well. If I'm looking on this monitor, that's just because I'm watching YouTube over here. That's what they have here. Can't find anything good though. Can't really find anything good, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, yeah, the market's telling me that's gonna go higher. We just got that change to delivery. Let's look at ES. ES got break a structure. Look at how that's moving. I'll just wait for a pullback into this fair rally gap here. I have those relatively equal highs up there. Are these relatively equal highs? No. Oh, well, that fair rally gap got disrespected already. I might just take it on ES then, because we had an SMT right here at the bottom. If I take them all the way to London highs, how likely is it that's gonna hit London highs, you know? As you can see, we have this SMT up here. Look at how NASDAQ is moving with that. There's literally no entry. I have to wait for have to wait for a retrace. That could have been an entry if it was a fair rally gap. I guess that one is. No, I gotta wait for ES to get a retrace so I can take it. You know what? I think I'll take shorts. I think I'll take shorts all the way to Asian lows. Ah, shit. Never mind. Look at how powerful ES is being right now. NQ is not that powerful. This one inverses for rally gap, but NQ hasn't. There's a lot of potential to the downside for it. ES is already gonna go up there and smack those profits up there. But we have a big SFT. Look at this. Look at that SMT. If we get a breaker structure, I might short this, to be honest. I like this. All rotation lows. I like this, I'm not gonna lie. Where's NQ at? I'm in Q. Let me get a breaker structure on there. How many is that? 3? We'll say 3. 4? 20 points, we'll do 4. Or should we do 5? No, we'll do 4. We'll do 4. That's if we get a breaker structure. Alright. Because look at how much selling pressure there is on NQ. ES, not so much. But still, NQ's just chopping. NQ's just chopping. It looks like ES is gonna go take out those highs. And then continue lower. This is a simple continuation model since we came up here in the 5 minute. After that breaker structure, coming back up to this fair value up here. We're tapping in there, and then from there we want to see continuation down to take out these Asia lows, and then from there continue higher, because look at the higher time frame. The higher time frame, we are about to get a breaker structure. We were about to, I guess. Let's see, what if we pound? Yeah, there's a lot of selling potential. I like it. ES is about to take out those highs, and after it does, after it takes out those highs, it's gonna drop. I don't know which trade I like better though, whether that's NQ or ES, because ES, let's see how much RR are we gonna get on that. Can't even target this. You know, I might do MES. We'll see. It looks like we're about to inverse that gap. If we inverse that, I can look for a short right here. Try to get all the way to Asian lows. Okay, look at NQ. We're getting that big sell-off that I knew we are gonna get. Yeah, the risk to reward line is fucked, so I'm not gonna do that. I'll just take it on ES. I'm not gonna lie. I'll just wait for this candle to close. I don't like that. I do not like that candle, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna wait for one more. Damn, fucking strong ass candle, bro. I just fucked up my breaker structure. I seriously don't think it's gonna go all the way up here, bro. We got a breaker structure to the upside. But on ES, we just came to equilibrium. You know, not every day's a trade day. It looks like we're gonna go higher because of this. We did not get a breaker structure, but look at how it's reacting. The SMT won't play out anymore. Like, look at how much selling pressure there is on NQ. There is too much. Alright, so we're not over the 0.786 extension, and we're respecting it pretty good, so I think I'm just going to short this. I like that. Let me get more in there. Okay, so we're in. 6279. Oh Lord. We always get the wicks, bro. There's no way. Six two six three. Here's the thing, we inverse that gap, but we're working off of this fair value gap, which I don't like in there. We also yeah, everything's just bearish to me. I don't like that though. We're like, market is weird, bro. Better not be chopping around. Cause look at this extension, bro. Extensions right here. It didn't even touch it. It just tapped into the 0.5, and then just wicked off from there. This is gonna be my TP1. Yeah, look how we're rejecting on ES. We could take another trade here, right there on that inverse, targeting the Asian lows. I just don't like how NQ is moving just because of this choppy action right here. All this choppiness I don't like. If not, I would have taken that for sure. But I really don't like it at all. But yeah, usually I don't wait for candle close just because you can tell where the candle is gonna go just by the body of it, unless it like completely rejects like that. We're gonna put a limit order here. How many? Like 3, 2, 3. We'll do 2, so it won't take that much on my position. Yeah, like here's the thing. Like whenever I okay. Whenever I shit, we have an SMT. I don't like that. I do not like that SMT, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, take profit one hit. I'm gonna go to break even. Bro, that was only 60 bucks. What the fuck? That was only 60 bucks. How in the hell? So for 60 bucks and break even, it moved me down from being able to make $800 to just 650. Can't believe that. Insane work. I don't know what I was saying. Okay, this was a good trade. I like this. I can just show you guys OBS real quick. Properties, top step, trading view window. Where's my Safari? Safari. Yes, that one, right? Yeah. This is this one right here. Oh, sorry, I made it smaller. Yeah. So yesterday I lost 213, but yeah. Hopefully we can get it back. Anyways, for TP1 I had 2 micros to take only. And yeah, that only gave me 65 bucks, which is like not the best. I still take profit 1, but it's just a smaller take profit, you know. And then as my final TP, I had 800 bucks, like I said, and now I have 651. Wow, that is great. It's fine. I'm not gonna complain. It's a trade. It is a normal trade. It's fine. I did only risk $200, so I wouldn't say that's bad. I wouldn't say that's bad at all. I mean, I guess it would have been like the same RR if I traded on NQ, but yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I like the entry better on NQ because look, it's cleaner. It gave me that inverse right there, and then ES. I just got on the wick. But yeah, ES looks like it's waking off again. That's all right. What the fuck is Speed doing in Slovenia, bro? Like what? I like that big drop. But yeah, we've been getting storms recently here where I'm from. Well, where I'm living currently. So I have Starlink, right? Because the area that I live in, it doesn't have like good Wi-Fi at all. It doesn't have like any like fiber or like glass and all that shit doesn't have anything like that. So we've been using Starlink for that, and what's it called? Yeah, I like testing to see how much speed it gets because it can fluctuate. It can fluctuate sometimes just because of the clouds and all that. It has to be like connected to the satellite and all of that. Um, yeah. So we're getting pretty good speeds. Download is a lot more than upload. So we're getting around like 300 megabits per second, which is really good. Yeah, it has to take out HLOs. Unless we take like this off right here. I think I'm just gonna hold it to HLOs unless it fucking reverses, which I don't think it will. I gotta hold it all the way to final TP, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, NQ is looking weird. Like, look at ES. ES is having really good price action. NQ was just chopping around until that one candle, which was 9:57. I got in 9:55, so 5 minutes after the macro. Have you I might just cut the video and be like, hey. Alright, so I can do a couple things. This fair value gap hasn't been inversed yet. I don't want it to be inversed, but it looks like it will be inversed. But I could take my profits here now and be up for the week. But I'll just, to be honest, I'll just wait it out. I'll just wait. If it reverses, it reverses. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Yeah. It just all depends, you know. I might kick me out for a second. Damn, TJR lost 41K. Holy shit. It has to come down to take out those HLOs. There's no way it doesn't. Damn. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Shit's taking forever. Dude, what the fuck? Alright, I'm just gonna. I just cut this short. I'll just wait until either it hits or stops near break even. So, oh wait, actually, it's almost there. I might as well just wait. Oh my god. It's right there, man. Oh, NQ just took extra loss. Hold on. If NQ just took extra lows, I don't want ES to just reverse from there. Come on. It's so close, man. There's no way. Let's see in the 30-minute. Please, bro. Bro, this shit reverses. If it reverses this gap, I'll just close it. Bro. Oh. I don't know what I did. I meant to put it down here, but okay, I guess it's a trade. I'm up. I made 503. Yeah, I guess I'll show you guys the other one. Properties. Safari. This one. There we go. Yeah, I tried putting my thing up here, my line right here, but it filled my order. It's fine. I don't mind that. It took me out here. Yeah. So we lost 200 and now we're up 503. So that means we're up 290 on the account. So we made what we lost yesterday, and yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow if I do take a trade. Tomorrow is FOMC, I think. Damn, this is taking forever. It is FOMC, but on the PM session, so it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah.